Everybody, it's Christopher here. So I'm going to do a quick video update. Um, I've been working over here the past few days, in between painting and not feeling good. I'm still not feeling good this morning. I have a doctor's appointment later, so I won't get into it. But yeah, I'm not feeling good, and yeah. Anyway, I'll exercise your point. So I'm going to talk about how the layout is coming over here. So everything is down. All the screws are up that I know of. Watch me find another screw in the track somewhere. But yeah. So I've done some working. Everything is going to works out so much better than the way I had the track last time. There's no moves. You know, last track design, I had to make extra moves to do things, and I didn't like it, and it just was awkward and stuff and whatnot. So, I am going to redo this part right here. I just don't like how it came out. I can do a better job than that. I might try to save this part, get rid of the staple, and save this part. But the road is going to be redone. It's not going to be a black top. Big Gene is going to become more like a concrete kind of road, you know, distressed and whatnot. And it won't get a crossing gate. It's just going to get a sign, just a regular buck sign, maybe with a stop sign under it. So, and I got to finish painting that to finish with that building. But I have to start scenery over here, so maybe sometime later. What I'm going to do here is, since this is unloading plastic pellets, and yes, I've gotten parts down. I'm going to really clean up over here and really rebuild Paxton Marine. One of the things I'm going to do is I found some of these grates off an old car, and I'm going to build me some, again, I can't think of my words because I don't feel good right now. You know what I'm talking about, where they discharge the product down under the traps. And I'm going to scratch build an elevator to go up here, and then it'll go into here, I'll figure it out. Don't mind me. Anyway, I am so tongue-tied right now. Oh, anyway, everybody will understand when I'm saying, hey, look, I missed a screw. There it is. Huh? Oh, there's another screw. That's okay. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to build that. You do that. I kept saying I was going to do it in the previous version. I'm glad I didn't do it, but definitely will be on the list of things to do now. What else over here? Over here, I started building the track that goes up to the second level eventually. But there's one section where the trains stall out. Obviously, because I'm doing only GP units or axle units, I'm going to need a second one. Mr. Gaither was like, you need 6 axle units. I'm like, no 6 axle units. I've got curves that there will not, even my SD 40-2s have a hard time hitting some curves. So I'm like, I'm going to make a rule, only GP units. But it's okay, I've got a couple other GP units out to be worked on, and hopefully soon I'll get everything working together and he can have an actual partner. I think he's going to get paired up with my GP20. That Mr. Jason Wilson is going to rebuild for me in exchange for a painting. So it'll be awesome once you get those together. So anyway, I wasn't going to, but I felt like I need to. I'm going to build a slight extension out here. Not too much, because I don't want to be able to have it where I can't walk in. But this is where Hopi gas and propane is. And here's the office for Hopi Gas and Propane, and it needs to be, it's going to go about right here. So I got to have an extension out at least 4 inches. So, and I figured I'll be able to fit my fat butt through there, no problem. So, anyway, yeah. So, one of the other things I need to do is I stole my panel that used to be here, and I put it over under the river. I'm gonna have to eventually get another panel, and it'll probably go on, probably on the other extension, because that's gonna get covered up. So it's right under Vicky Jean is where the extension is going to start. So the Vicky Jean can get more of an extension out. So his last version, there was no tracks this close to the edge. So, so yeah, that's about it. I'm sure there's some other things that I'm missing. Oh, yes, going back to the part that's going up. I'm going to have to pull up the tracks because I was not thinking. And I put the tracks straight onto the risers. And I'm thinking to myself, wait a minute. I need to at least put something under there. So I have a whole bunch of these that not only I'm not going to make the roads out of, it's just really thin balsa wood, but I'll finish making it go under the track or a sub-row bed, go all the way up. And yeah, should help with that issue as well, not only giving it more power. So I'm rambling on and I don't feel good, so I'm just gonna say that's about it, and happy model railroading. Peace out, everybody.